I'm here. That's about all I know right now. Today I don't really have words, but I didn't want to not come here either. So I'm just going to sit here with myself and my journal and let my hands do what they can. Okay, here is my April signature. Let's put the journal to the side. And I will see what side speaks to me. Oh, it's a good start, I would say. I think I'm using this double page. I love the paper. The texture is already so soothing for my hands. And I definitely will start with this photo. It's a photo of my parents. And I will take some lace. Not sure yet where I would like to have it. I want to place it somewhere on the page. Maybe here as a border. Yeah, I like that. I like that when lace is peeking through. Like when you close the page and you still see a little bit of the lace. And I also like denim and lace together, the soft. And the thing that is resilient. Yeah, it feels right. I take my art glitter glue, such a strong glue that is holding everything. It's holding me, my heart, and the lace. Just placing it here, moving it a little until something says that's where it goes. And I don't have to think this through. Yeah, it peeks out there. My hands know what they are doing, just pressing it down gently. And then on the other side, just a thin line, just where the thicker piece of the lace is, just going up and down. Oh, my hands know this. There's something about beginning here. That feels right. Just here. It's a little bit of lace, very delicate, very soft. And I find it's a wedding photo of my parents, and it's matching the veil of my mom. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's see what else wants to go on here. If I place this behind it, I think I like it. My mom loved flowers, and so having the flowers behind the photo feels right. Let's see if I want more the natural tone. Okay, just allowing all of this to sink in, to feel into it, just giving it a place. And just staying with it for a moment. There's something about sitting here with the same journal, the same few things in front of me that feels steady to me. Like it's nothing new, nothing I need to figure out. Just things I already know. My hands keep moving, they reaching and they placing and they layering things. And I can feel the rhythm of that. Very steady. This page is becoming a place that is holding my feelings and is holding these two little journaling cards. I can feel the shock in my body, how everything feels slightly unreal. And the small movements, like gluing this pocket down, is giving me something to come back to. Like gluing it, pressing it, holding it. And these couple of small cards to just tuck in. They are not for now. Oh, they are just there. Yeah, if words come back to me later, they have somewhere to go. And I'm adding my Distress Oxide ink, another very familiar thing for me to do. I have done it hundreds of times. Just going around the edges. I like the sound. And my heart is calming a little bit. Here we are. And I can breathe. And my mind is still. Yeah. Here they are, back together. So precious. And I think I would like to add a little bit more. But first, I think it's time to see I think I would like to add the dates. Just marking this, holding it in time. And I need my time. I need my time to land. And I take my time. It's in the middle of the night here. It's dark outside. That feels fitting somehow. I think I want to have straightish edges. Just cutting it down. And this small movement that trying on the size or where the place where it wants to go. It feels like moving it on the papers, moving it in my heart. It's moving it back and forth, allowing it to settle, to sink in. And I grab my pen. Starting with my dad, 1935. No, that's my mum. 1941. My dad is here. 1935 to 2015. A while ago. My heart is with him. And my heart is with her. 2026, here we are. To mark this point, to sit here. My hands, they draw the hearts. They are in my heart. And I feel soft. I feel at peace. And I know they are at peace. Yeah, here we are. I think it's time to anchor it, to ground it on this page. I'm using my glue stick, gluing down the base. That gives the background for their photo. Okay. Yeah. That's good that they are here. I think I need a little bit of a stronger glue to actually give them a grounding. It's good to have something strong to hold them. Something strong to hold me. Step by step. I'm looking at the page. And I can feel I don't want to add anymore. Just pressing it gently down so it can bond with the background. It's held gently. So, just the little labels holding the dates. Marking the day, marking their lives. I'm not going to add anything. This is enough. I can feel my hands and my heart, they know the way. Even now, I can trust that. There are things that need to be done. I'll be flying to Germany, but I can't do all at once. For now I'm here with me, and that feels like enough. I'm not sure yet what the next week will look like, or if I'll be able to make videos. Let's see what comes next.